Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to play back recordings within Xima CCaaS. Keep in mind that Xima CCaaS is the recording playback mechanism. It does not record the calls themselves. To record calls or set those calls up to be recorded, please refer to your UC platform for more information. Additionally, if you want more information in regards to how this integrates with Xima CCaaS, please watch our other tutorial video, specifically how to configure and play back recordings within Xima CCaaS. Please look at our website for that information. Without further ado, once you sign in to Xima CCaaS using the permissions that allow you to do so, go here to Cradle to Grave. There's filter criteria tools on the top right-hand side where you can select the date range. You can also select the criteria here and look at only the calls that you care to see. I have designated a section that have the following filters. Calls and chats, I look at calls only, and is call recorded. You can set up whatever you want. The date range is the 13th to the 27th of December. On the right-hand side, notice the recording icons exist there. I can click on them and play them back.
This call is being
It gives me a wave pad at the very bottom of the screen. I can add notes to that. I can download that recording in its entirety. A WAV file is standard. I can also email that off to someone or create a snippet. If there's only a certain section of this call recording that I want to download, I have that option to do so as well. Lastly, one of the great things about Cradle to Grave is Cradle to Grave. I can expand this call, and not only can I play back the recording, but I can see every aspect of that call. Notice there's a recording icon down here at the bottom for the talking event, and also at the top.